Scope in veterinary sciences. Hello friends, this lecture is for all my veterinary colleagues who has either completed his or her PhD, Masters, undergraduation or still they are pursuing their undergraduation courses, and also for those youngsters who want to pursue their career in veterinary sciences. Veterinary is one of the highest paid sector and a lot of opportunities are there which are not known to many of us. Here I will discuss some of the opportunities which can be seen by our fellow veterinarians after their graduation, post-graduation or doctorate. In our degree program, we learn about a number of species, their treatment, their management and also their rearing. We read a lot of books. In whole degree courses, there are courses for rearing of animals such as pig or poultry. We go through the training in zoos. We learn about lab animal rearing. In addition, we also learn about the economics in the market, that is how supply and demand works. In addition, we also learn about milk and meat processing. And in the background, we are also going through extracurricular activities such as NCC or NSS. Here, I had mentioned only few courses. There are so many courses in veterinary sciences that are not only fascinating but are a door for job sectors in veterinary sciences. As soon as a fellow veterinarian complete his graduation, that is BVSc and AH, a lot of opportunities start opening for him. Opportunities after graduation. If someone want to pursue his career in Indian Army, should search for notification of RVC, that is Remount Veterinary Corps, or CDS, that is Combined Defense Services. RVC generally advertise their notification once a year around September, whereas Combined Defense Services generally advertise their notification twice a year. If you want to have much information about these, then you may comment. And if you want to pursue your career in paramilitary forces such as BSF, Border Security Forces, Indo-Tibetan Border Police Forces, SSB, Assam Rifles, then you should go and search their sites. They regularly upload their advertisements for Assistant Commandant or Veterinary Assistant Surgeon post. Then states are regularly advertising posts for veterinary officers, and even central or state zoos, they are also advertising posts for veterinary officer. In civil services like IAS, IPS or bank services, there are regular advertisements for graduates, so you can also see for those advertisements. In private companies such as Zoetis, Virbac, Vanke's, MSD, Ayurved, these companies are regularly recruiting veterinarians for technical sale purposes or lab research purposes. Other than these companies, if someone wants to work in clinics, he or she may find some big clinics such as Max, DLF. They are regularly recruiting veterinarians for their clinical purposes. And even diagnostic labs such as Lalpath, Vetkind, they are regularly taking veterinarians for their pathology works. Other than this, a veterinarian who is having a good knowledge can open his or her clinic and also diagnostic labs and can work as an entrepreneur. And if you have done your post-graduation, after post-graduation you will still remain available or eligible for those posts that were available for you after your graduation. In addition to those posts, some few opportunities will increase for you. such as you may apply for some ICMR scientist, CSR scientist post. You may apply for post in DRDO. Some veterinarian posts are regularly being advertised by them. Then in some of the project there are posts for JRF, SRF, Senior Research Fellow or Junior Research Fellow. You may find posts in colleges for teaching. And if you are doctorate, after doing your PhD degree, you will become eligible to some more posts such as assistant professor post in state or central universities, scientist post in ICAR, ICMR or CSR. And if you want to pursue your career in abroad, there are n number of universities that are regularly advertising posts for graduate research, postdoctorate position or PhD positions. You may find out different universities, and according to your interest you may fill their forms and then apply for that. There are some of the exams such as GRE, TOEFL that some universities are asking for PhD positions or PG positions. So you must see the requirement of that universities. And for PhD position in abroad or for universities or postdoctorate, you must have your account in ResearchGate or LinkedIn. It is not that it is must, but they are generally seeing your ResearchGate or LinkedIn account for seeing your background, that how much you are having research papers and what are your research qualities. So you may have these accounts. These were some of the opportunities. Hope you would have liked it and it would have been beneficial for you. And if you want to ask me something, you may ask in comments. Thank you.